In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security section. Then tap on App Lock here and enter a pattern that you will use to lock your apps. Then repeat it to confirm it and answer a security question. If you don't like it, click on it and click on one of those. When you finished, you need to answer your question and hit Done at the top right corner. Then to log any app, click on Open Padlock right next to it until it's closed and green. When you finished, just go back. So when I try to open my app, I can see that app lock is now required. To disable app lock from any app, go back to the same settings, enter your app lock, and click on Close Padlock. To disable app lock completely on your INFINIX, use this gear at the top right corner and click on green switcher next to Enable app lock. Then choose Turn Off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!